A very happy new year to all our viewers. 2022 has brought with itself a million hopes and a zeal to do something better. Taking our trend of spreading positivity through thick and thin, here's welcoming all of you to My City Week, presented by My City Links. Honoring the spectacular performance of the players, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik felicitated the para-badminton players who won medals at the Tokyo Paralympics. He felicitated Deepa Malik, President Paralympic Committee of India, Prabhakar Rao, Chairperson Para-Badminton India, Gaurav Khanna, Head Coach Para-Badminton Indian Team, Shiva Prasad Das, Head Coach Odisha Para-Badminton, Pramod Bhagat, Tokyo Paralympics Gold Medalist, Krishna Nagar, Tokyo Paralympics Gold Medalist, Manoj Sarkar, Tokyo Paralympics Bronze Medalist, Tarun Dhillon, Paralympian, Parul Parmar, Paralympian, Palak Kohli, Paralympian, and Rajkumar, an Arjuna awardee. In another great step towards encouraging the para-athletes, Odisha Sports Minister Tushar Kanti Behera inaugurated the 4th National Para-Badminton Championship in Bhubaneswar. Para Sports Association of Odisha, along with the Department of Sports and Youth Services, organized the 3-day mega event in which over 500 players participated. The event was held at 2 venues, Railway Indoor Stadium, Bhubaneswar, in association with KC Memorial Trust, and Udan Badminton Academy under the aegis of Paralympian Committee of India and Badminton Association of India. Our para-athletes have indeed brought great glory to the country. At the Tokyo Paralympics and Odisha, hosting and giving them this platform is a huge honor for all of us. Odisha's Smita Ashok Kanungo brought laurels to the state by winning the Mrs. and Miss India Queen of Hearts contest held at New Delhi recently. The 4 months of hard work and online training sessions culminated with a win for the soft skills trainer from Bhubaneswar, who was crowned Mrs. and Miss India Queens of Heart in Classic 40+ category in the 4th season of the pageant. The contestants were judged by a 3-panel jury that included actress Pavitra Punya, celebrity nutritionist Varun Katyal, and Miss India Asia model and pageant coach Samiksha Singh. A mother of 2 teenagers, a girl and a boy, she has indeed proved that women can work through adversities and come out with flying colors. In a bid to reduce and keep a check on the increasing cyber crimes in Odisha, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik inaugurated 14 police stations that will investigate cybercrime and economic offences in Odisha. The Chief Minister said that cyber crimes are rapidly emerging as a dominant crime in society, and his government is committed to providing the people with a modern policing system with a well-trained police force to counter the technology-based crimes. He also inaugurated 3 upgraded police stations. While the first one has been opened at Info Valley Special Economic Zone, the second has been opened at Bayalis Mauza under Cuttack Urban Police District, and the third in Pahada under Bhubaneswar Urban Police District. This is indeed a great step towards putting a stop to these economic offences that have emerged as a blue-collar crime that not only affects the individual citizen but also causes deep injuries to the financial health of the country as well. A young writer from Kalahandi district, Dileshwar Rana, has been selected for PM Yuva Mentorship. As part of the celebration of Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav, an initiative of the centre to commemorate 75 years of the country's independence, the Ministry of Education and National Book Trust had invited literary works of the writers under the age of 30 years from across the country. Dileshwar had submitted his manuscript of the novel on Indian independence struggle, which was highly appreciated by the authorities, and he was among 75 writers who were nominated for the mentorship. Here's a funny video just for you. With this, we come to the end of today's segment. In this new year, I'm sure all of you must have made resolutions to yourself. Do let us know your New Year's resolution in the comment section below. Till then, keep watching My City Week, your weekly dose of positivity. I'm your neighborhood journalist, Afrin Firdaus, signing off.